Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks for beginners using Robinhood. First, you will need to open an account, which typically takes just a few minutes. Provide your personal details and link your bank account for easy transfers. You can start investing with as little as $1, making it accessible for everyone. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the app's intuitive design and various tools. Before making your first purchase, it's crucial to understand what you are buying. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and their value can fluctuate. Robinhood offers research tools, including analyst ratings and news articles, to help you make informed decisions. Always evaluate a company's performance and future prospects. This due diligence is key to smart investing. Once you have identified a stock, placing an order is straightforward. Use the search bar to find the company you want to invest in. You can choose a market order to buy at the current price, or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to acquire, perhaps starting with just one share. Review your order carefully before confirming the trade. After your first purchase, actively manage your portfolio. Robinhood provides real-time updates on your investments, allowing you to track their performance. Diversification is vital. Spread your investments across various companies and industries to mitigate risk. You might also consider setting up recurring investments, such as $10 weekly, to consistently grow your holdings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.